Manado Tua Island.
Manado Tua Island, together with Bunaken, Siladen, Mantehage, and Nani Islands, are a group of islands that form the Bunaken to Manado National Park. This national park of about 89,065 hectares is located not far from Manado City, the capital city of North Sulawesi province. Manado Tua Island can be reached by boat in about an hour or about 10 miles from Manado City, and it only takes 1 hour drive from Manado Harbor. Manado Tua Island or Old Manado Island has its own peculiarities that are not shared by other islands in the Bunaken National Park. Manado Tua Island itself is a land in the form of a mountain that stands firmly at an altitude of 655 meters above sea level and is dominated by the green color of shady trees. Uniquely, the peak of the island is not a volcano. But what's even more interesting is that under the sea there is a volcano that is still active at a depth of 150 meters, and you can see it if you practice diving. The flat is underwater with a slope of 5 to 30 meters and is cut by a rock wall with a depth of 25 to 50 meters to the seabed and a large cave.
What's make it unique? Manado Tua Island has its own peculiarities, namely in the form of a mountain shape that stands firmly at an altitude of 655 meters above sea level. And here's the uniqueness of Manado Tua. The first one is underwater volcanoes. Manado Tua Island, which has a mountain-shaped land, is not a volcano. However, under the sea of this island, there is an active volcano. This mountain is at a depth of 150 meters with a slope of 5 to 30 meters. This mountain is split by a rock wall with a depth of 25 to 40 meters to the seabed. In addition, there is also a large cave around the mountain. You can witness this beauty while diving. The second one is stunning marine life. The marine park on Manado Island is known to be so beautiful because it's decorated with rare marine life. Dugongs and dolphins are here. And the third one is waters protected from fishing and coral reefs. The waters on Manado Islands are fairly clear because they are free from pollution and waste. In fact, the island is protected from various types of fishing activities and coral reefs, either by fishing or the use of explosives. Manado Island was originally used as a center, a kind of Portuguese and Spanish base camp before entering the mainland area of Penang. Even then by the Dutch at first, replacing the Portuguese and Spanish positions, even though the Dutch immediately set their feet on the mainland of Manado. Why people should visit? The first one is it's because a suitable place for various activities. Not only can you enjoy the charm of the underwater by diving, here visitors can also do interesting activities such as snorkeling, sunbathing, boating, jet skiing, and exercising. Sports there are generally carried out, and this island also vary from jogging to cycling. Apart from these activities, this island is also a suitable location for hunting the beauty of the sunset. Next is stunning marine life. The park on Manado Tua Island is known to be so beautiful because it is decorated with rare marine life. Various types of ornamental fish, dugongs, and dolphins are here. And where it is located and how to get there. Manado Tua Island is located in Manado Tua 1, Kecamatan Bunaken Kepulauan, Kota Manado, Sulawesi Utara. You can use a boat to go to Manado Tua Island, but previously we had to go to the port at the Bersahati Traditional Market, Manado. The price set by using this boat, if the capacity of 6 people cost is 800,000 to 1 million round trip, and 15 to 30 people is 1,300,000. What should be the entrance fee? For entrance fee, there is no entry ticket to visit Manado Tua Islands. What's need to do to make this place generate main income? Because the uniqueness of Manado Island is its underwater beauty, then maybe what can be done to generate the main income is seaweed cultivation. Seaweed is a food source that is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, fiber, antioxidants, and various good mineral for maintaining the thyroid, intestines, heart, controlling blood sugar, and losing weight. These benefits make seaweed attractive to many people around the world to meet these needs. And according to the Indonesia Seaweed Industries Association, Indonesia produces more than 75% of global tropical seaweed, making Indonesia the largest seaweed producing country along with China. Then it can be exported to other countries. The second one is increasing the existence of diving and snorkeling equipment rental businesses. With the increasing number of enthusiasts of this sport, it is hoped that will further arouse the people's love for the preservation of the marine environment. Next is what's need to do to make this place generate supporting income. Manado Island is unique compared to other islands in the vicinity, namely a mountain that supports a height of nearly 800 meters above sea level, which also holds natural and social cultural tourism potential. Then trekking can be made to the top of Mount Manado Tua with a very beautiful view of the island below. Then the charm of tropical forest with attractions in the form of wildlife with several endemic animals in it which can be the choice of tourists with special interest. Next, the current maintenance cost. Maintenance for the cleanliness of the sea. This is waters that are free from waste and various pollution that usually comes from the city. And this national park is protected from various types of fishing activities and coral reefs, either by fishing or using explosives. Second one is ideal maintenance cost. Maybe maintenance should focus on 2 points. Those are at sea and in protected forest. Protected forests must also be well maintained, and facilities must be maintained and improved, whatever is still lacking, in order to further attract tourists, both local and foreign. Next is current management entity and ideal management entity. For current management entity, Manado City government, ideal management entity, maybe there are several parties who have to manage Manado Island. For example, the tourism, nature conservation, and government agencies to make it more efficient. Why and how, through what channels this object can boost economic growth? Manado Island must be promoted so that it can become a tourist spot that is known to many people, especially tourists from abroad. Because Manado Island has a lot of uniqueness, starting from the beauty of the underwater, the diversity of fish species, and also protected forests where there are animals, wild, and others. And this old Manado Islands tour can be promoted via news, on TV, or in magazines. It can also be via social media such as Instagram, Facebook on the Manila City platform, or it can be word of mouth. Thank you.